Hello everyone, today how are you guys? Today what we are going to see in this video is all about dropshipping and what are the advantages and disadvantages of dropshipping. So let's start with it. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method which does not require a business to keep products in stock. Instead, the store sells the product to the customer and then it passes that sale order to the third party supplier, and that third party supplier ships the order to the customer back. So this is how it works. So it seems to be like easy making money way, but it's not like that, because when you factor all out the obstacles and day-to-day management is far from easy. But if you use the proven strategies that have been proven by the businesses, and it can dropshipping can still help you to build your successful business, and it can be good thing for you. But in this video we'll walk through all the advantages and the problems with dropshipping. So watch the video till end if you're really interested in dropshipping, and hit the like button if you haven't done it yet. You put less money in and you get less money out. That means that you have to do just a lot of business to get afloat. Yeah. So let's take an example, that you are selling your products on a website, and whatever your product sells on your website, so most of the money goes to the supplier, the third party supplier from which you are taking the products. So what you earn basically 2% profit or 3% profit. So that's hardly enough to you cover all of your expenses like advertising, marketing, and managing your business, and managing orders, managing sales, managing your website. So it hardly covers all of the expenses. If you increases the profit in some of the products, then you have to decrease in some products to keep your prices competitive, because there are many businesses doing the same thing, online store. So but if you still only hold on 20%, 30% profit, then other companies can easily undercut you and you are going to lose in that competition for sure. So yeah, you have to be competitive, and notice that your profit is largely determined by the traffic you get in your website, means the people coming on your website. And so if you are building your e-commerce platform from scratch, then you will need to suffer for a long time with profits, until you build your customer base. Because very little capital is required to start with dropshipping, and that low barrier means that you are entering a lot of competition. Basically, the bigger companies can reduce the price for their products so they can offer the lowest price to the customers. So if the customer is getting a same exact thing for cheaper price from someone else, so why should they buy from you? That's the question. So this is the question that you have to answer. Control over supply chain. So in standard commerce, uh, if a customer complains about product shipping or order fulfillment or anything, you address to your customer yourself. But in dropshipping, you are more or less at mercy of your supplier. So still you have to talk to your customer. Also, a delay in communication as as the dropshipper has to go back to forth to customer to supply to customer to supply. So it's because of this thing, if one of them answers slowly, then all of the communication gets to halt, and that means that even if it's such a slight mistake, like delay in communication can push your customer to the right into the hand of your competitors. That's serious. Although this isn't a common problem for dropshippers, but some suppliers are not as legitimate as they claim to be. But you always don't know where the merchandise comes from and what are the illegal activities of your suppliers are. As the vendor, you are automatically complex. So to rectify this potential, you have to means every dropshipper must have a solid dropshipping agreement, and that does every startup does not know that. Dropshippers must understand this: the credit for their work goes to someone else. If whatever product you are selling, let it be so amazing, the customer is going to focus on the brand of the product, not on the means on the shopping experience entirely. After all, it's not your brand's logo on the box that have been shipped to the customer. Raising your inventory uh, cost by packing up a unpredictable product. uh, Test it out with drop shipping with a trial period. More than just discovering that how it sells or not, you can have a better estimate that how much it sells for, giving you an accurate number that how much you should buy for your initial stocks. Experienced e-commerce brands know that market fluctuations aren't always predictable. Rather than raising your inventory within, you know, with cost with the overstocking, having a dropshipper as a backup saves you your money without losing those sales. And when unexpected demands for sales come in, then you can fulfill those demands with dropshipping. It's a great safeguard against all the uncertainties that online retailers face. So if something like natural disasters happen to your warehouse, you can, always fulfill the demands for your customers with the pre-made orders by doing dropshipping. Unfortunate complications of expanding your business is shipping strategy. You get out from your warehouse area, that means that you are going to have more shipping fees and for your product that you ship to people. Dropshipping can be a perfect solution for those problematic locations, or you can use it for testing out new locales, like like the dropshipper can use it for doing market research and other things. Many products cost more to stock or to ship than other products. In these type of circumstances, it will be more profitable for you to dropship than storing yourself. So what do I mean by high maintenance products? So high maintenance products means that any product that takes necessitates extra fees or for shipping or storing, so like such as heavy products, large products, fragile products. So fragile products takes up extra care when shipping, so it will be a better idea if you use drop shipping. And large products means large products takes up so much space that the cost of storing is too high. And heavy products means heavy products take up too much shipping fees. So because of the weight, so it will be a better idea if you use dropshipping instead. So I don't want to give an impression that I am against dropshipping, but it can be, but considering some specific drawbacks, it can be ill-suited for some brands until applied correctly. So you guys tell me that what you think about dropshipping and what are your views on it, and I would love to know it in the comment section below. So don't forget to grade that red subscribe button. It will really benefit me and you too, and I will come up with these type of nice videos for you only. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the videos as much as you can, and share them wherever you can. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.